Hi everyone, it's Bob from Business of Blogs, and today we're going to be talking about redirecting your URLs when you've got broken links. Now this could be when you've changed your permalink structure, or it can also be when you are looking at maybe changing as a few titles, etc., and they're pointing to websites that are no longer there. Now there's a very smart plugin that we're going to install, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So keep watching and thanks for your support. So if you're looking at changing your URL structure, one of the worst things is obviously having dead links or having 404 errors where people are going to links that no longer exist. Now, there's two options really that I can think of. You can do this for free. One is quite a laborious option, which is you go into your WordPress website and you create individual redirects one by one. What I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. And it's the simplest way of redirecting people autonomously on your website. So this is businessofblogs.com. This is our website. Obviously, we have no redirect links at the moment because we are building this live with you. But I'm going to show you the process of installing the plugin. So if we go into the dashboard, go down to plugins, and we're going to click on Add New. If you think about what you want to do, ideally you'd want to automate your redirects. So type in auto redirect, and first post here with 74 stars is WP404 auto redirect to similar post. Now what this does is if it's going towards a 404, so the link is no longer there, it looks within your titles, within the post types, and also your tags, etc., for a similar post. Now, it's not necessarily going to be 100% accurate and redirect them to the right post every time. However, it's not going to do a 404, and that's ideally what we're looking for here. Here we go. So WP404 auto redirect to similar posts. So I'm going to click on settings, just going to have a quick look. So here we go. So log redirections. This is a really great feature of this. So if you consistently keep getting the same redirects, what it will do is it will let you know which ones you keep getting hit. So then you can maybe change them, etc. All right. So fallback behavior. So if it can't find a similar post, what would you like it to do? So maybe you can set it to a custom redirect where it goes to a page that says to everyone, hey guys, really sorry, we've changed our link structure. Use the menus, use the search to find that post again. Okay. We can then obviously use redirection headers. Just leave that at 301. And then what we can do down here is we can preview where it would send someone. So we've not got much content, but what we're going to do is we're going to type in analytics because we did a really great video about analytics, and let's see where this plugin is going to take us. So it's searching, we search for HTTPS businessofblogs.com/analytics. It's looked at all of our posts and it said to us, here we go, I'm going to redirect them to your knowledge base. How do I add Google Analytics to my WordPress site? For us, that's an absolute win. That's not a 404. It's completely automated, and hopefully that will save you so much time from going through trying various bits and pieces. If you want to, you've got the post types up at top. So what you can do is you can enable a lot more. You can get it to look into the metadata, etc. You can exclude types. And then obviously you can exclude certain tags. And lastly, you've got your engines, which obviously you don't need to change anything. So this is how to auto redirect people on your website to stop broken links and to stop that dreaded 404. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this tutorial has been really helpful for you and given you added extra value in your WordPress blogs, completely free from us here at businessofblogs.com. If you've enjoyed this or have any questions, please comment below. If this has been helpful, please like and share. We are a very open community and we want to help as many people as we can. So hopefully you've enjoyed this and you're going to keep on blogging. Thanks very much. I've been Bob. I'll see you soon.